Oh my God, this is like an old barn, and well, there's the woman that owns it, huh?
Mary.
Mary. She's definitely got an old barn. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, she's giving him some corn husks. Oh, corn. Oh boy, they know Dan.
That's a good shot.
How many you got here?
Trying to get a good shot here.
Oh, they got
So I trimmed my raspberry bush so there's nice green leaves.
They recognize you. They go, you're Mr. Food.
Are these yours?
Yes.
They're awesome.
Mary Ellen. Ellen, Mary.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Well, you got a lot of, oh, you got a llama?
Now, Ellen, just hand that to them. They'll love you.
Okay, we're not gonna, the big old guy gets everything, huh? Okay.
Extra tasty.
Extra tasty. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You want some? Oh, you're cross-eyed. You can't see. What? Not? Oh, look. You guys go, go, go. Here, you can have the whole stem. Will you eat the stem?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Have the whole thing. Oh, you
Joe
know
Louis.
Oh, look, they even have raspberries.
Yeah.
An extra treat.
There you go.
Oh.
You didn't make them jelly?
Here. Just take the whole thing. No more leaves. Sorry. Here, I'll throw it over.
Joe Louis.
He likes you back.
Look at this! Crawling on top of each other. Yummy. Oh, we got sheep and... So what do you do with them?
Well, they're pets, and I milk a couple of them. And I sell the babies.
What?
Sell the babies.
Oh, you do? These guys are all pets?
Look at that little baby up there.
Oh, yeah. That's yeah.
Oh, this is great. Dan, let me take your picture.
It's rolling now.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, we're all on.
Oh, dear.
Ooh, look at that's a squash.
Oh. Yum.
Yeah, butternut squash.
Dan and Ellen are feeding.
It used to be. Going now.
Well, Mary, I hope you're having a nice day.
Oh, yeah. So dark.
Here's one more time about snow.
It snowed here yesterday.
It did.
And then Friday we got a couple bouts of those little ice pellets.
Oh, really?
It looked like it was going to rain, and then we got the little ice pellets.
I was on my
So which
sailboat.
one's your house?
You're on a sailboat.
Yeah, he was on.
Which means your house. Me.
You live here?
Yeah.
Oh, there. Cool. This looks like my granddad's farm. It eventually fell down, but...
Yeah. I got a couple of calls in with some places with steel on it.
Oh, steel? Yeah, I've seen a lot
That'll
of that.
preserve it.
Well, and then it won't need to be painted.
You miss the rustic look, will you?
I heard.
But I want to keep the wind out.
Yeah, better for the...
I know we have two old.
It's straight still. Everything about it's solid.
Yeah, it's nice and straight. It's not leaning or anything, so.
Well, let's get you back in the warm.
Okay. Good to meet you.
Yes.
The camera's still on? Burr.
Don't forget to get it off the wood.